In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Thinkorswim. To get started, open Thinkorswim web in your browser and sign in to your Schwab account. Since Thinkorswim works with your Schwab brokerage account, this is where the funding process begins. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you've successfully logged in before moving on. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Move Money or Transfer and Pay. The wording may vary slightly depending on the page layout, but both options are meant for managing deposits, withdrawals, and account transfers. This is the area you'll use whenever you want to send money into your brokerage account. From there, select Transfer Funds. This will open the transfer tool and let you choose where the money is coming from and where it's going. If this is your first time adding money, you may need to link your bank account before you can continue. Follow the prompts to connect it, and make sure the bank information is entered carefully so there are no delays. After your bank account is linked, choose the bank account you want to transfer money from. Then for the destination, select your Schwab brokerage account. This is important because Thinkorswim uses the funds available in that brokerage account. So you'll want to make sure the money is being sent to the correct place. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. Take a moment here to double check the number before moving forward, especially if you're transferring a larger amount. It's always a good habit to confirm both the funding source and the destination account at this stage. Once everything looks right, review the transfer details and submit the transfer. This final review screen helps you catch any mistakes before the request is processed. After you submit it, the transfer will begin, and in most cases, ACH transfers take about 1 to 2 business days to complete. So if you don't see the money available immediately, that's normal. After the transfer finishes, the funds should appear in your Schwab brokerage account and become available for use through Thinkorswim. If needed, you can always return to the transfer section to check the status of the deposit. And that's how to add money to Thinkorswim. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have your account funded and ready to use.